My master used to say that it's a funny question. What is the question? Why you should seek and realize your true self. Why it is a funny question? Because I have yet to realize a true self. Because I have yet to realize a true self, I'm living with my false self. Do we understand what exactly is the true self or the real self, and what exactly is the false self? Do we really understand it? So the entire Eastern wisdom, I have been saying, it is 10,000 years old tradition. We have more than 3,000 texts, more than 3,000 teachers who realized their real self and contributed to this tradition. And the tradition is still continuing. So the realizing the true self in life means you are seeking, you want to explore, you want to recognize in your life that happiness which does not leave you. Are you getting it? Which doesn't leave you. But why it doesn't leave you? That is what the true self is. That is what the essential nature is. Any essential nature of a thing, an object, means you cannot take it, it cannot be rejected, it cannot be accepted. Why? Oh, it is the nature. Can you take the fragrance of a rose flower? Then it no longer remains the rose flower. Can you take the fluidness of the water? Then it no longer remains the water. That is the true self. And I'm just giving an examples, and then I'll come back to what the Eastern wisdom says. We have a physical body. Behind that, we have a subtle body. Subtle body consists of the mind, memory, intellect, and I thought. Then we have a causal body. What is the causal body? The cause of the mind, intellect, ego, and the physical body, including the sense organs, is the causal body. What is that cause? Causal, we say it is made up of ignorance. Can you live in real self with ignorance? Then there is no truth. Ignorance means the absence of the truth. So, well, hold on. When I get rid of the ignorance completely, then what is left is the real self. I'm more philosophical. No, let me make it very easy. The real self is of the nature of pure consciousness and also of the nature of permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. I said permanent happiness. Permanent happiness means 24 by 7 it is available. Peace, 24 by 7 available. So all those enlightened masters, they have that level of awareness which is filled with peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. And when the love is expressed, it becomes the compassion. Now go to the question, why we should seek and realize our true self in life. Now my master's statements becomes very true. What the heck you are talking about? You are of the nature of happiness. Hence, it is not the question why we should seek. We must seek, we must find the ways why to drop that false eye. Another question comes, why we have to drop the false eye? False I is our personality, real self is our existence. You cannot change the existence. Truth means it cannot be altered. Now, but I want to understand 2 plus 2 is 4. But now if you make 2 plus 2 is 5, is it true? 2 plus 2 is 10, false. 2 plus 2 is 1000, false. You have many millions of false answers. You have only one true answer. You got it? Now start the journey of the Eastern wisdom to find their true self. So whatever comes on the way, start rejecting it, dropping it. Anxiety, you are not made up of anxiety. It is not your essential nature. Drop it. Stress, obsession, addiction, attachment, duality, conflict. But why you say that the conflict and the stress is true? Really? Are you sure? Or you are in stress 24/7? You were in stress when you were born? You are in stress when you in deep sleep? Oh, the truth means that it continues 24/7 all the time? Answer is yes. So let me drop it. My nature is not the stress, reaction, anxiety, duality, and a conflict. We have understood intellectually, but in between there is a journey, step-by-step journey to get rid of all the false identities we have made because of heavy conditioning from the culture, society, and we produce that anxiety by ourselves. So there is a step-by-step journey. You understand how the mind functions and how the mind should function in truth. When the mind functions in truth, it reflects the real self. That is why we must seek and realize our true self in life. Sooner or later, we are going to realize it. I offer those programs step by step, based on the teachings of the great masters. You learn step by step, and ultimately you evolve your consciousness. You can browse my website, learn Eastern Wisdom Coaching free. And also I have a free guidance. Write to me about your challenges. Let me see if I can challenge your problem. Sorry, I'm not going to challenge you. I'm going to challenge your problem. Why? To dissolve it, to destroy it.